Hey, check this out. Isn't that cool? I used the rosemary stock to skewer the chicken, and it infused the chicken as it was cooking. And this is gonna pair really well with a grilled cheesy bread and fresh heirloom tomatoes. Remember these beauties from the farmer's market? Oh, I love tomatoes. This nice little heirloom variety all has different flavors. Soft, gentle, kissed by the summer sun. And this classic Italian dish, panzanella, is gonna start with these juicy heirloom tomatoes. Oh, the smell of fresh basil. There is nothing else like it. And it's such a great combination with fresh tomato. Summertime was made for salads. It is the best way to highlight those flavors of all the fresh vegetables that are in season. And this red onion, it's going to add a lot of crunch. Fresh bread from the farmer's market. Traditionally, this salad would be made with stale bread, but I picked up this fresh loaf and I'm gonna grill it. And to bump up the flavor, a little oil with some garlic in it. This bread is ready for the grill. Barbecue is hot. This is gonna be really tasty. Get some char marks on there. Dry the bread out a little bit. While that's grilling up, I'm gonna take the salad one step further. I picked up some goat's cheddar at the market today. Oh, such a fun cheese. And since I used the rosemary with the chicken, I thought it'd be a nice little addition to the cheese on the bread as well. Really infuse those flavors. Oh, so herbaceous, it's like standing in a pine forest. I chop that nice and fine. Get the oils moving so it really infuses the cheese. This cheese is starting to melt on contact. These are ready to come off the grill. That cheese is melted. It's gonna add so much flavor to the salad. Now, this is exciting. And the trick when cutting up your bread for the salad is to get them roughly the same size as your tomatoes. And for the dressing, I'm gonna start with some capers. They're salty, vibrant, strong. They're gonna play really well with the acidity of the tomatoes. And they're also gonna be really nice with that goat's cheese. Now for my favorite part, these preserving jars come in so handy. That's rich. Now, technically, I would let this dressing soak right into that bread before I plate it, but I am far too excited. And I grilled up some lemon when I was doing the chicken for a little extra acidity. One thing I like to always keep on hand is some balsamic reduction. I'd say that looks good enough to eat. There's so much flavor packed into there. Lots of contrast. The goat's cheese, rosemary, the acidity and sweetness. That lemon adds a lot of zing. It's like a surprise in every bite. There's so much flavor packed into there. I can even taste the sunshine on this plate. It doesn't get much fresher than that.